Hello and welcome back to my current subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, hello to you as well. I'm glad that you are all here. In this video I will be demonstrating on how I created colorful transparent tinted ink polishes to create really nice colorful transparent nail art. Now in one of my previous videos titled Creating Jelly Nails, I made a few polishes that were pretty vibrant and more simple to make. But this time I wanted to try making my own personal tinted collection with a few extra steps involved. I begin by having latex gloves on to prevent any staining because this process is a bit messy. Here are some permanent markers I bought from our local store, 50% rubbing alcohol spray bottle, a few empty polish bottles I bought online. I'm trying out the red permanent marker first. I pull off the marker pointer, then placing it into the empty polish bottle. Then I take out the ink sponge from the marker container. After measuring how much I had to cut from the ink sponge, I place it in the empty bottle as well. I begin spraying the rubbing alcohol into the polish bottle, and I leave the ink sponge sitting with the rubbing alcohol for about an hour so it may set. As you can see, I labeled each bottle with colored swatches. I recommend printing out labels before beginning this process. Now that an hour has passed, I'm removing the ink sponge from the bottle with these long sharp tweezers I found online as well. It takes a while on trying to take the sponge out, so I had to stab straight into the ink sponge and squeeze out any ink that was left. Now removing the marker pointer. Here you can tell that there is no more ink left from the sponges. And here are the rest of the sponges. These are the results of the tinted ink polishes. Since the polishes are already set, I will be applying a few drops of regular clear polish into each bottle. So this way the polishes will actually stay on the nail once applied. I place around 3 to 4 drops of regular clear polish into each bottle. Then I pour 2 to 3 drops of pure acetone. So this way the clear polish can be mixed well into the bottle. These stainless steel agitator balls will be added into the bottle for convenient mixing. I then roll the bottle. After rolling the bottle, a cloudy substance had developed in the bottle, but that will go away after a few minutes while letting the polish set some more. Now that was done, I'm going to test out the polishes. I'm applying a clear top coat gel as a base, and now behind my nails to add a shinier glossy effect. Then I cure for about 30 seconds. Now I'm cleansing the gel from my nails with the rubbing alcohol. I'm starting off with the green tinted polish from a different bottle I've used and labeled. This type of polish must be applied quickly to avoid any streaks. For a more visible look, a second or third layer can be applied. After about 10 to 20 minutes have passed and the polish had dried, a thin coat of clear top coat gel can be applied. Removing the gel around my nails, I'm adding some rhinestones over to my nails now above the gel, which is a bit faster than adding nail art glue. And this is the finished look and results of the polishes. Even though I had done a similar experiment with making a few tinted polishes before, I've seen that this method did leave slightly better results. When applying the polishes, they didn't leave any air bubbles and had dried a bit faster, and was surprised how the ink from the markers were extracted to create these polishes. Plus, I didn't have to spend much on purchasing extra tinted gel or regular polishes. I only had to just purchase extra empty polish bottles and create my own polishes. Now, I will admit that I did see a few YouTube DIYs on this method and wanted to try out a slightly different method. I will add a few links under the video description that had inspired me to do this video and would like to give credit to them as well. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this demonstration, and if you liked this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more future content from my channel. And don't forget to comment. Thank you all so much for watching, and you all take care now. Bye.